Have you ever came across something that you needed, but you didn't realize that you needed it? Well, that's kind of what happened with this cable. This, my friends, is a 2-in-1 iPad and Apple Pencil charger. And I don't know why I went so long without one. If you happen to have an Apple Pencil, you know that you can charge it simply by inserting the end of it into your iPad. You can just put it into the lightning port like this right here and charge it. But that's pretty cool, but yet it kind of looks kind of funny. And I'd be afraid that it could get broke off. I just don't think this is the way to do it. And I realize with the new iPad Pro and the new Apple Pencil, it actually just connects magnetically to it and will charge that way. But for the original one, you have to do something else. And the Apple Pencil comes with this little coupler that you can connect onto here, and then you can take a regular lightning cable, insert this like this, plug it up to USB, and you have an Apple Pencil charger, no problem. But you also have to keep up with this little coupler, and this can get lost very easily. But one downfall is if your iPad dies and your Apple Pencil dies, you can't charge these together unless you have two separate cables, and that is where this cable comes in. On one end you have the regular USB connector, but on the other end you have two connectors, a male and a female lightning connector. So simply plug the USB up to the charger, take your Apple Pencil, plug it into the female lightning connector, and then take your iPad, plug it up here with the male connector, and you have both of them charging at once. Oh, and if you're wondering, this is actually a silicone sleeve or a cover that goes over the Apple Pencil. I'm trying it out. I really like the way that it feels. But now, instead of carrying two cables, I can just carry one cable with my iPad and be able to charge the pencil and the iPad both at the same time. Links to all of these products are listed down in the description below this video. Check them out if it's something that you're interested in. Let me know down in the comments, do you have an iPad or some other tablet? And also let me know, do you use a tablet more or do you use a computer? If you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related stuff, then consider hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. Go ahead and check out that next video of some pretty awesome phone cases. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.